Hello children, in previous class we had learnt about the chemical properties of metals. In today's class we will see how metals reacts with the non-metals. Okay, reaction of metals with non-metals. Reaction of metals with non-metals. When metal reacts with non-metal, they will form ionic compound. They will form ionic compounds. Then what is ionic compound? What is ionic compound? The compound which is formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to non-metal. Is known as ionic compound. Is known as ionic compound. The compound which is formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to non-metal is known as ionic compound. Here the metal will transfer the electrons to the non-metal. Okay, when the compound is formed by transferring the electrons from metal to non-metal is known as ionic compounds, and these ionic compounds are formed when the metal reacts with the non-metal. Okay, so we'll see this with example. How ionic compounds are formed, we will see with example. We'll see the formation of sodium chloride. Okay, its chemical formula is NaCl. Children, see here, sodium is a metal. Okay, what is the atomic number of sodium? It is 11, and these 11 electrons are distributed in different shells like this. 2 electron is placed in K shell and 8 electron is placed in L shell, and remaining 1 electron is placed in M shell. Okay, here the sodium is having 11 electrons, and these 11 electrons are distributed in different shells like K, L, M. In K shell 2 electrons are placed, in L 8, and M remaining 1 electron, that is 1 is placed. Okay, here the K shell can accommodate only maximum of 2 electrons. Therefore, here only 2 electrons are placed. Similarly, here L shell can accommodate only 8 electrons. Therefore, in L only 8 electrons are placed. Okay, 2 plus 8, 10 electrons. Here 1 electron is remaining. That electron is placed in next shell, that is M shell. Okay. See here children, sodium is a metal, and this sodium will lose the electron. This sodium will lose the electron. On losing this 1 electron, this sodium is converted, neutral sodium atom is converted into ion, that too cation. See here, this sodium atom can lose its valence electron. Valence means outer electron. This M is the outer shell. So here only one electron is present in the M shell. Okay, outermost shell. By losing one electron, this sodium will attain the noble electronic configuration of neon. Children, atomic number of neon is 10 and its electronic configuration is 2,8. So, when it attains the noble gas electronic configuration, nearest to noble gas electronic configuration, that is neon, it becomes more stable. Now, this sodium is unstable. Okay, here sodium is having only one electron in its outermost shell. It can easily lose one electron instead of gaining the 7 electron. Okay, when it gains the 7 electron, its outermost shell will completely fill. It will fill completely. When these shells are completely filled, the this atom becomes more stable. Okay, to attain this stability, this sodium atom has to gain these 7 electrons. But gaining of 7 electron is difficult than that of the losing of 1 electron. Okay, this sodium can lose 1 electron easily than gaining the 7 electron. So on losing 1 electron, it attains the stable noble gas electronic configuration, that is neon. Okay, 2,8. Now this L shell is its outermost shell and it is having 8 electrons and this shell is completely filled. So this sodium cation is now stable. Okay, on losing 1 electron, this sodium neutral atom is converted into sodium cation. Okay, so here this is metal. Okay, this metal is electropositive. These metals are electropositive. Electropositive means the elements which readily loses valence electrons. Valence electrons are said to be electropositive elements. Okay, the elements which loses valence electrons readily are said to be electropositive elements. Okay, now this cation is formed. Next, what happens? We'll take chlorine. Okay, chlorine. What is the atomic number of chlorine? 17. Okay. All these 17 electrons are placed in different shells. See here, in K shell we will place 2, in L shell 8. Okay, 2 plus 8, how many? 10. Okay, out of 17, 10 electrons are placed in K and L shell and remaining 7 is placed in M. Okay, so see here, in valence, M shell is the outermost shell. M shell is the outermost shell and in outermost shell chlorine is having 7 electrons. This chlorine need 1 electron. This chlorine need 1 electron to attain the stable noble gas electronic configuration. Okay. Okay, it will attain the stable noble gas electronic configuration of argon. Okay, its atomic number is 18. Its electronic distribution is like this, 2, 8, 8. Okay, so it requires 1 electron from the 1 electron so that this M shell is completely filled. So on gaining 1 electron, the M shell is completely filled and M shell is having 8 electrons. See, this chlorine will gain 1 electron. So what happens when this gains this electron, 1 electron? its electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 8. Okay, and that gained electron is represented like this. If we write 1 minus or just minus, it indicates here 1 electron is gained. If we write 2 minus, okay, this indicates 2 electrons are gained. Similarly, here in case of sodium, if we write just plus 1 or just plus, it indicates 1 electron is lost. If we write 2 plus, 2 electrons are lost. If we write 3 plus, 3 electrons are lost. Okay, so now this chlorine can easily gain the 1 electron to attain the nearest stable noble gas electronic configuration instead of losing its 7 electron. Okay, this chlorine, it will not lose its 7 electron. It is difficult, but it can gain 1 electron easily to attain the nearest stable noble gas electronic configuration. So this chlorine gains 1 electron and its electronic configuration changes like this. See here, this is K shell, L shell, M shell. Okay, now the valence shell, that is outermost shell, is completely filled. Now this chloride ion is stable. This is chlorine atom. It is unstable because it needs 1 more electron to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, now then question may arise like this: where this electron came from? Where this electron came? See here, the sodium atom loses 1 electron. Okay, that electron is gained by this chlorine. This chlorine will gain the electron which is lost by the sodium. Okay, so we will draw dot structure for this. This is sodium atom. Now I will represent the valence electrons with the help of dot. If I write 1 dot, this indicates that this sodium atom is having 1 electron in its valence shell. Okay, next I will write chlorine. Okay, chlorine is having 7 electrons in its valence shell or outermost shell. That's why I'm writing 7 dots around this chlorine symbol. Okay, so see here, this sodium atom will give its electron to chlorine. Okay, this sodium atom loses 1 electron. That lost electron is gained by chlorine. See, children, now see sodium. Now it is having 2 electrons in its valence shell. Okay, 2 electrons. And now see this chlorine. Now this chlorine is having 8 electron and this chlorine is sodium is having 2 electrons. Okay, now they 2 becomes stable. See here, whenever a atom is having 2 electron, 8 electron, 18 electron, 32 electrons, they are more stable. They are more stable. See here, now sodium, now it is having 2 electrons in its outermost shell and this chlorine is having 8 electrons. Okay, this is the sodium chloride compound. This is the sodium chloride compound. So like this, sodium chloride is formed. Okay, this is the ionic compound. Here this compound is formed by the 2 ions, one sodium cation and another one is chlorine anion. Okay. We'll see one more example for this. Formation of magnesium chloride. its chemical formula is MgCl2. Okay. Children, now see here. Magnesium, it is a metal. Okay, its atomic number is 12 and its electrons are distributed like this: 2, 8, 2. K shell, L shell, M. Okay, and M shell is the outermost shell, and in outermost shell magnesium is having 2 electrons. Okay, and this magnesium can easily lose these 2 electrons to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration, that is helium. Okay, so it can these 2 electrons to form magnesium cation. Okay, now its magnesium cation electronic configuration is 2, 8. It is the electronic configuration of neon. It attained now it is stable. See here, two valence 2 electrons are lost by this magnesium, and magnesium, neutral magnesium is converted into magnesium cation. Okay, and chlorine, its atomic number is 17 and electrons are distributed like this. Okay, 2, 8, 7. K, L, M. M is the outermost shell. In outermost shell 7 electrons are present. Okay, and this one chlorine gains 1 electron, because on gaining this electron this chlorine becomes chloride ion, and its electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 8. It is the electronic configuration of that argon. Its atomic number is 18. Electronic distribution is like this: 2, 8, 8. Okay, this is the noble gas. Okay, on gaining 1 electron from magnesium, this chlorine will attain the nearest stable noble gas electronic configuration, that is argon. Okay, now but see here children, magnesium loses 2 electron. Okay, magnesium loses 2 electron, but here chlorine need 1 electron. So one chlorine need 1 electron to attain the nearest stable noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, so here 2 electrons are released. To accept the or to receive the 2 electrons, here 2 chlorine atoms should be there. So 2 chlorine atoms will receive 2 electrons which are lost by the magnesium atom, and they will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, now this is chloride ion and this is magnesium ion. See, now we will write the dot structure. See, magnesium, it is having 2 electrons in its valence shell or outermost shell. Okay, we have to write 2 chlorine atoms, because here magnesium is losing 2 electrons, but 1 chlorine can gain 1 electron. Therefore, if we write 2 chlorine atoms, then each chlorine will gain 1 electron from magnesium. Okay, chlorine is having 7 electrons in its valence shell. Okay, now this magnesium will give its 1 electron to 1 chlorine atom and another electron to another chlorine atom. Okay, now we'll write magnesium Now see children, so like this is magnesium chloride molecule. Okay, here this chlorine atoms are having 8 electrons and this one magnesium is having 4 electrons. Like this, here magnesium is transferring its electrons to the chlorine. Here magnesium is the metal and chlorine is the non-metal. Here electron metals, they are transferring the electrons to non-metals. Here the electrons are completely transferred from metals to non-metals. When the compounds which are formed by the complete transfer of electrons from non-metals to non-metals, okay, are known as ionic compounds. Like this, ionic compounds are formed. Okay. In next class, we will see the properties of ionic compounds.